Xfinity Internet installation process. Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through the simple process of installing Xfinity Internet at your home. Step 1. Schedule your installation. After signing up for Xfinity, choose whether you want a self-install kit or a professional technician visit. For self-install, Xfinity will ship you the equipment. Step 2. Unbox your equipment. You'll receive a modem/router combo or separate devices. Check the box for O modem/router, O power adapter, O coaxial cable, O Ethernet cable, O instruction manual. Step 3. Connect the modem. Connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the modem. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the modem. Step 4. Connect to your device. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the modem to your computer or router. Or connect wirelessly using the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password on the modem label. Step 5. Activate your service. On your device, open a web browser. You'll be redirected to the Xfinity activation page. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your internet. If it doesn't redirect, visit xfinity.com/activate. Step 6. Test your connection. After activation, test your internet speed and connectivity. If everything works, you're good to go. Step 7. Optional. Set up Wi-Fi network. Change your Wi-Fi name and password for security via the modem's settings page. Instructions are usually included in the manual. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.